Another day, another story. Because most of the signs they tell you are garbage. If you try to Google how to know you're in love, you're gonna have a bad time. Because it's mostly shit advice. Here's a small sampling. They're always on your mind. This is infatuation. If someone's always on your mind, you're not focused on other really important things. And that's a problem. Real love fits into real life rather than usurping it. It's calm, not overwhelming. You crave them or can't get enough of them. See above. They're your everything. Ditto. You see them in your future. When I imagine my future job, location, adopted dog, they were always in the background of my imagination, helping me out with whatever I was doing. My future just didn't really make sense without them around. Well, I mean, damn. You fantasize long and hard enough, you can see anything in your future. Like I could imagine moving to Switzerland to be a goat farmer. That doesn't mean I should. The problem is that we've made love into a game of escapism and measure potential partners by how they fit into that fantasy. That's not love. So sure, see them in your future, but not because they complete the picture. They're the person of your dreams. See above. You always want them around. Ha, ha ha ha. Clearly you have never been in a healthy long-term relationship. You should usually want to see bae. But love isn't always wanting to. Sometimes you need a minute. Sometimes you need to work or do other things. Or damn, just be. Don't think it's not love just because sometimes you want space. You'll do whatever it takes to impress them. Well, that's scary. You trying so hard, loving isn't impressing. You're scared. Of losing her, of never being with another woman. The list goes on. Healthy love doesn't involve fear of loss. That's attachment. It also doesn't involve fear of never being with another woman. I don't even know what that is. Low self-esteem, lack of conviction. You're jealous. This is attachment again, not mature love. They're beautiful. This is self-love, not love. Also, you're an idiot. They're kind. Well, glad you're getting your emotional needs met. But this just means that they are deserving of love. It doesn't mean that you are loving them. You just know, well, thanks for the most unhelpful advice ever. To everyone who's ever said this, yitho plus stop. Don't perpetuate nonsense and call it romance just because you don't have suitable answers. Tread lightly with, they're the best part of your day. Seeing my girlfriend is always the highlight of my day. The difference here is probably what the rest of your day looks like. Good. If you're happy with your life and your partner adds to it, then congrats. You win. Bad. If you're unhappy and using your partner as an oasis, then you need to get your shit together. You prioritize them. Good. You actually care about their wants and needs and prioritize them in a way that doesn't tear you down. Bad. You compromise your own wants and needs, or base your value on your ability to keep them happy. How to know you like them as a person. They're different than everyone else. Rad for them. You like more than their looks. Congrats. There may be hope for you yet. You want them to be happy. Great. I want happiness for most people. You'll try new things with them. You found someone with whom you're comfortable and whose company you enjoy. Good on you. They inspire you to be a better person. Role models have that effect on us too. That doesn't mean we love them. How to know you love them? 1. You know because you decide. You don't feel love. You do it. It's an act, not a feeling. It's a moment-by-moment decision and recommitment. You know because it's deliberate and conscious. 2. You know because you do the act of loving. You invest. You exert effort. You don't knowingly do harm. You aren't vengeful, petty, manipulative, or jealous. Their needs never seem irritating. You aren't grabby with them, their time, or their affection in return. You are secure without demanding constant reassurance. You prioritize their viewpoints. You learn their love language. You think in terms of their interests, not yours, and their needs are your own. You support them. You back them. You care and take care. You accept and you allow. 3. You know BC, you do the act of loving even when you don't want to. Because everyone thinks they're in love when it's clear skies and calm waters, but watch them when the storm hits. You know because you love even when you're pissed. It's love if you don't fight, you disagree. You love if your objective is reaching an agreement, not picking a winner. You love if you don't get defensive, insecure, or manipulative. If you don't keep score. If you don't hold grudges. If you don't take back your love as punishment. You love if you seek to understand before being understood. Listen and honor what they share, and you don't double down with your own issues. If you act like you're on the same team, you listen. You compromise. You apologize. You forgive. You know because you love even when you're hurt. especially honoring and respecting their wants and needs, even when they include breaking up. What we should really be Googling is how to love, not how to know we're in love. We like to differentiate between being in love with and loving someone. But being in love with is infatuation, and infatuation means nothing in getting real love. So if what you want is real love, then how to is all that matters. You know because you decide. It's love when you do it. All the time.